Okay, Frugivores, welcome. Today's video is going to be on Gabbie Hannah, actually. It's been a while since we checked out Gabbie Hannah, what she's been eating, and I thought it would be interesting, and I found her on TikTok, and I'm like, whoa, some of the things in the video were surprising. Were good, actually, but yeah, we'll get into that soon. And I wanted you to guess, what is this tree behind me here? What do you think this is? This one here. Tell me in the comments below, I'd love to hear. And isn't it a beautiful day? It's amazing. So I'm excited about the day, and I'm on my tramp. I've been using tramps for over 20 years since I was a personal trainer in my early 20s, and now I'm heading towards 43, and I've been using them the whole time, and I love it, on and off, and it's very beneficial, especially if you can't work out, it's monsooning outside or it's snowing, then you can use your mini tramp. So they're really awesome, you should check them out. All right, let's get into the video. Okay, Frugivore, here we are back on TikTok, and I actually found Gabbie Hannah's What I Eat in a Day. And it's been a while since we've checked in on Gabbie Hannah, hasn't it? And this one is actually from last year, but I think that's probably the most recent one. We'll check and see if she's got any more. But I am fascinated to see what she's been eating. I'm not looking forward to really, let's be honest. But we'll see, hey, we'll see, because it was shocking before. Let's see if she's improved at all.
What I eat in a day. Today edition. I started off the morning with, I believe, 4 scrambled.
Has she got a tattoo on her neck now? I don't know whether that's henna or not, but I think she's trying to really be badass.
Today edition. I started off the morning with, I believe, 4 scrambled eggs.
Wow. Okay, we're starting pretty much, yeah, she's still trying to do this high protein thing. Gross, mate. 4 eggs, 4 menstruation, unfertilized reproduction cycle of a chicken. No, thank you.
Nothing fancy, just a little salt, a little pepper,
She's really showing off that tattoo.
a little ketchup. I was a little something.
Yeah, so the ketchup is like to try and mimic sweet fruit, you know, because it's got this sweet salty kind of like edge to it. She just obviously needs fruit. Yeah.
After I eat scrambled eggs. So I had an apple. One side of it was actually pretty fucked up, but I don't like to waste. And the side
Okay, so she had an apple.
I was eating tasted just fine. Stay hydrated. I can't believe how good golden sweet potato.
Oh, well, this looks not bad. She had an apple, which is good, obviously, but yeah, a token apple. But look at this.
Those are, and how few people eat them. They are so fucking good. Damn, I was.
So she's talking about what sort of sweet potato? It looks quite white. Interesting.
Believe how good golden sweet potatoes.
Golden sweet potatoes. Okay, she's just eating them straight, it seems like. Can't say anything bad about that.
And how few people eat them. They are so.
Well, that's how I feel about the Japanese sweet potatoes. If you haven't had them, go and get them. They're amazing. The ones that are like purple on the outside and they're quite like golden on the inside when you cook them. Delicious.
Fucking good. Damn, I was queen of the carbs today.
Oh, wow. Okay, she's queen of the carbs today. She's having a banana.
Had a banana. I think I also had some strawberry, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. Yup. I love summer fruit. I love summer fruit. I ended my day with.
Well, that's great that she got some fruit in there. It still wasn't a lot. It was only a single banana and a berry, and at least she had the sweet potatoes. Is she really having more eggs?
Thin sliced toast and some dippy eggs. Yeah.
Oh, dippy eggs. No, that is really gross, Gabbie. That is really gross. Okay, so someone said in the comments here, I remember when you used to have eggs, bacon, and eggs every morning. I wanted that breakfast so bad. Oh my God, watermelon. Okay, let's have a look on Gabbie's page, see if she's got any more. Hang on, is she taking the tattoos off now? I'm very confused. I recommend you stop stuffing around with these diets that are just not working for you and start on a fruit-based diet ASAP. Start changing your life today. There's no more time to waste. Start feeling great. Lose that excess weight. And these are the books. You can get all my books in a bundle for a great discounted price, all my life's work, and completely change your life. Completely change your life. It's amazing. And I also offer one-on-one consults for a limited amount of time. So if you want to check that out, also for those who are female over 200 pounds. So there's a link down below, and we'll see if we're a good fit. And check out these books. There's a link for them in the description below as well. Okay, I'm going to continue. So yeah, didn't you just get a neck tattoo? And it was so cool. She was manic and regrets it. Oh, wow. Oh, oh no. That's really sad to have to go through.
I just got my second tattoo removal session, and if you remember my first tattoo removal session, girl, it is a day and night difference. There's so much bruising, so much blood.
It doesn't this look terrible? Like, oh, the
There was
mutilation.
so much popping, and yes, it hurt. On the first session, a lot of the comments were like, babe, you're getting scammed, nothing's happening. And I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of pissed because I also felt like I was getting scammed because I had seen so many videos of tattoo removals and there really wasn't any reaction. That being said, I'm actually really...
I'm sorry, I don't know why we're watching this, but I was just like fascinated and very disturbed at the same time. I had to have a look.
I just bought fish for the first time.
I just bought fish for the first time.
Love fish. Somebody cooks me fish, game over. Sushi, love it. When it comes to me, cooking fish freaks me out a little bit, but here we go.
Yeah, why does it freak you out a bit? Because it's just stinky, gross, parasites.
I'm gonna put some butter in the pan. This is how I like to butter the pan. Actually, I'm gonna start buttering the pan like a normal person. That's my cat. He sits on the table.
So she's got a different tattoo now to that butterfly, okay?
Wake me up, and I can't wake up. Wake me up and save me. Call my name and save me from that. Wake me up, bend my blood too. I can't wake up before I come on. Save me from the nothing I've become.
Well, that was pretty good, wasn't it? That was really good. Yeah, she was good at that.
This fruit.
Yeah, it's like a prickly melon or something. Horned melon, okay.
Fruit at Ralph's that I didn't know what it was, and I just cut it open and it looked nothing
It is really strange.
like I was expecting it to. Not gonna lie, it doesn't look appetizing.
It's like too many seeds. There's definitely too many seeds in this fruit.
Expecting.
Cucumber fruit.
Bro, what?
I mean, obviously it's up to the plant to put that many seeds, but for us to eat, I don't know how enjoyable that is. We need more of the
It
pulp.
doesn't particularly smell appetizing either, but so. I don't know if I'm supposed to chew it or not, because
That's funny.
an entire pack of holiday brownies today, so I'm going to show you one of my favorite meals so I stop eating this brownie. Well, I'm going to finish this brownie. First we need a golden sweet potato. I actually cooked these in the microwave.
The way she's stabbing that with a knife and her hands right there, I don't know.
You just stab it a whole bunch of times and then you put it in for anywhere between 4 to 8 minutes. Flip it over in the middle depending on the size in your microwave.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Let's see.
If you want to microwave it, yeah, I mean it's better than not having it.
It's cooked. These are green beans. First up, wait for it to cool so you don't burn your hands out, but we're just gonna gut this. Green beans.
Better than gutting an animal. Gut the sweet potato.
Black beans. Angle wasn't worth it. I always share my green beans with Fred. Olive oil, balsamic, garlic salt, cayenne. Give it a good mix. Golden sweet potato is gonna do it for me every single time.
She loves these sweet potatoes. That's great. So definitely try these golden sweet potatoes. I don't think I've ever actually had those ones. I'm all about the Japanese sweet potato, but that's great. She's promoting them and eating. Here she is again, getting into the golden sweet potato. This is great.
I ate a sweet potato a day for years. Stop doing it. I don't know what I was thinking. And I eat it like a fucking maniac. But I can't help it, like this. It's like the part of the microwavable chicken pot pie. The crust that's still a little gummy on the edges. How dare I forget?
Okay, so great to see her just getting into those sweet potatoes. I recommend you do the same, after fruit, of course.
No. I'm sorry, sweetie. I'm gonna keep reminding you that I'm Middle Eastern. And I have always been Middle Eastern. But for some reason, isn't it so... I grew up in a what I eat.
Okay, so I just want to check in on Gabbie Hannah. Obviously, the eggs is just completely wrong, but I am pleasantly surprised with the fact that she's eating a lot of sweet potato. This is a good start, Gabbie. Continue doing this, and it would definitely help you stay away from the other, animal bits and pieces. Obviously, she needs to eat more fruit, but the sweet potato is a good sign. Got the golden sweet potato. And Gabbie also tried the Japanese one with the red and the yellow inside. Amazing. And everybody else out there, try the Japanese as well. They're incredible. All right, don't forget to go fruit yourself. I'll talk to you soon.